What are you saying?
Rob, Rob, Dad have a baby in my tummy. Look, I have a baby in your tummy.
Why do you have a baby in it? Did you eat it?
No.
What's your baby's name?
Cleo?
Baby Cleo.
Why were you calling
Miss
Daddy
Cleo.
Rob? Why were you calling Daddy Rob?
Because he's Uncle Robbie.
And you're Aunt Jen?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see your baby, Aunt Jen.
No, she doesn't take your picture.
Okay.
Oh, it's a baby.
Rob.
Yes, Gen Z.
Finley. Finley.
What's wrong, Aunt Jen?
The baby's having a little time.
The what?
A little bit.
You're feeling a little bit better now?